I was compensated for this review. This is the all-in-one kit for hiking with your dog. This is by Run Pooch Run. They wrapped it super cute for the holidays. Let's unwrap it and see what's inside. Here is everything that is included. It comes with 2 separate packages of dog poop baggies. It comes with a really nice leash. This is great. It goes up to 56 inches or 59 inches. And it has a nice padded handle on here, makes it super comfortable to walk your dog or go hiking with your dog. You can see there's a clip on this side, so it clips into the collar for the dog, which comes with it. Plus it comes with a teething toy and the really nice stainless steel water bottle in a neoprene case with pockets. You can put treats in here, your keys, whatever you need to. It has a zipper on the side, so you can unzip that and slide this off. It also has an adjustable handle on here. And then with the bottle, this keeps water cold up to 24 hours and warm up to 12 hours. You screw off the bottom, and this is a bowl for your dog. And then you screw off the next piece. This is a second bowl. Awesome that it's all contained within your water bottle here. And you just unscrew the top. You can add the water right into here. These bowls are 7 and 8 ounces. This is a 32-ounce stainless steel insulated water bottle with a nice carrying handle on it. And you can unscrew the top part to drink out of the mug like so. This is super cute, really nice set. This is going to be awesome to go hiking or on walks. This would make a great gift for anyone with dogs. I hope this review helps.